They eat all hot foods and he losing calories eating.
His neck is dry. His neck is dry. His neck is dry. Before he eat this shit. His neck is dry right now, before and after. His neck is dry. One wing.
We gonna put him on Guinness World Records, right? Look.
Hey, they gonna be
Fastest time to sweat without moving
right now.
That nigga head is coming. Hell yeah, I can see that shit. His head glass. You see that?
Yeah, eat the whole wing though, right?
I can't do it.
Look what we supposed to put on when we serve y'all. See that shit?
No, I need to get the light, bro.
And there's a light to go off. Y'all got to sign a paper. I didn't know too.
Oh my God!
I'm trying to tell you, man.
Look at my shit is dripping though, right?
Look at his neck.
Really dripping though, right?
Wow, filthy motherfucker! That shit crazy. Motherfucker alien or something, man. With that window.
That ain't even
They're
a...
gonna call y'all tomorrow, that's all.
I'm out tonight.
What you talking about?
I live over there, baby.
Hold up though, Neves. Look at this nigga's head.